Hello, hi, very good evening to all of you. Welcome to Oliveboard. This is Aditya. I hope I'm audible and visible to all of you guys clearly. एक बार check कर लीजिए पिक्चर क्वालिटी ठीक है, everything is fine. So we can start the session after that. अभी ठीक है सारी चीजें ठीक है. I hope I'm audible and visible to all of you guys. डिस्कशन है हमारा यूनाइटेड इंडिया इंश्योरेंस इंटरव्यू 2024 के लिए जो आपका बायोडेटा फॉर्म a type of form they have given to us to fill एंड कैरी द कॉपीज विथ अस फॉर द इंटरव्यू. इंटरव्यू के लिए आपको एक फॉर्म फिल करके लेकर जाना है साथ में. ठीक है, इसको बोला गया है इंटरव्यू डेटा शीट. इंटरव्यू डेटा शीट ए जर्नलिस्ट स्केल 1 पूरा डिटेल है. अच्छा, ये शीट आपको कहां पर मिल जाएगा? ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट पर. यू विल बी एबल टू गेट इट. जस्ट अ सेकंड, जस्ट अ सेकंड, आई जस्ट वांट टू चेक दैट या एवरीथिंग इज फाइन. Okay. So from where you are able to get this form, open the official website. Even you can get it from my Telegram group, J Genius by Aditya sir. There also you'll be able to get it. वहां से भी आपको ये मिल जाए. So you need to download it and you need to create 4 copies of it. 1 original, 3 Xerox. Now there are few important things which you have to keep in mind while filling this interview data sheet. That फोटो व्हेन यू विल बी अटैचिंग योर फोटोज हियर. मैं आपको स्टेप बाय स्टेप सारे पॉइंट्स बता दूंगा. ठीक है, बिकॉज दिस इज नॉट अ न्यू थिंग इन IBPS PO फॉर्म. एवरी ईयर candidates few other insurance examination where they ask the biodata form to be filled before the interview. तो वहां के एक्सपीरियंस पर आपको बता सकते हैं कि कैसे आपको ये बायोडेटा फॉर्म फिल करना है. व्हाट आर द स्टेप्स टू फॉलो. Said you to carry 4 copies at the time of interview. One will be the original. With pen you need to fill. Try to fill with the blue pen only. Use करो, एक ही पेन आप यूज करो, ब्लू पेन को यूज करो, ब्लू पेन से फिल करो. And 3 Xerox you need to take. Now remember one thing. When you will attach the photograph here, you need to attach photograph in all 4 forms separately. मैं फिर से रिपीट कर दूं, चारों फॉर्म में आपको अलग अलग फोटोग्राफ्स अपने अपने अलग अलग फोटोज आपको अटैच करने हैं. Don't do this mistake that you have filled the first one, original one, and you have attached it the photograph, you have done the signature cross and then taken the Xerox. I hope you are getting my point. आपको पहला वाला फिल करना है, then take the Xerox and after that, after taking Xerox, you have to attach the photograph on all 4. सब पर आपको ओरिजिनल फोटोग्राफ अटैच करना है. Then you have to do the cross signature on ऑल 4. चारों के चार पर आपको क्रॉस सिग्नेचर करने होंगे. मेरा पॉइंट क्लियर है? डाउट्स जो हो पूछते हुए चलिएगा. दिस इज द फर्स्ट थिंग विच यू नीड टू फॉलो फ्रॉम हियर. देन रजिस्ट्रेशन नंबर, इंटरव्यू वेन्यू. You have your interview venues now. Tomorrow I'll be creating a separate video based on the document required to carry on the day of interview. They are very, very important. So I'll give you a complete list for the documents. The documents which you need to carry for the day of interview. Also, you are eligible to get third AC fare from the insurance company to travel. So what you can do is right now book your ticket. You have your venue, you have your dates. Right now, today itself, book your tickets, book your railway ticket. Try to get the confirmed ticket of third AC and you will be getting fare on the day of your interview. Fare आपको मिलेगा, रिम्बस हो जाता है. ठीक है, मेरा पॉइंट क्लियर हो रहा है. So don't wait for 5 more days, 10 more days that okay, after few days we'll book the railway ticket. Book it today itself. Check your dates and book it today. Now start from here. They said that name in full capital letters. So full capital letter you have to write your name like this. Okay. And does not matter how your handwriting is. You cannot take the support of anyone while filling this form. It has to be filled in your own handwriting. आपके अपने हैंड राइटिंग में आपको फिल करना है, याद रखिएगा. अदरवाइज सर माय सिस्टर हैंड राइटिंग इज वेरी गुड, आई विल टेक द सपोर्ट ऑफ हर टू फिल दिस फॉर्म. नो, you have to fill by your own. Discipline you have applied for, so it will be generalist. This will come here. Okay. Then name of father, husband, name, occupation with the posting. If you are unmarried, and you are a boy, father's name. Unmarried, boy, father's name. Girl, unmarried, father's name. Girl, married, husband name. So in that case, husband name and occupation need to be filled. So I'll be taking the common one, father's name. So father's name you need to fill here. Father name aa jayega, and with the occupation. Now what is the meaning and need of occupation here? From here your questions will be started. Let's take an example. Your father is working with certain department. Just for example, your father is working for Indian Railway. I usually take this example because there are broad different areas from where they can raise the question. They can raise that, what do you think, what are the challenges Indian Railways facing at present? Why the crowd is very high in the Indian Railway? Which train you picked recently to travel from your city till here? What was the train number? Did you remember? So, what do you see that how many people were there in a compartment? Why the people are more than required nowadays in one compartment? What is the budget allocation in the interim budget 2024 for the railway? What are the new announcement made in the budget 2024 regarding rail? Just for example, your father is working with the healthcare sector. Same to same questions they will be raising regarding health. Father is working with bank or insurance. There will be lots of questions around it. So father occupation is going to be very, very important. If your father is working as a businessman, if your father is working as a businessman, what type of business he do? Why you are not joining his own business, his business? Why you are not supporting him to increase his business? Why you want to come to the insurance industry? Such type of questions you are able to get. I hope you are getting my point. समझ में आना स्टार्ट हो गया है क्या क्या इंपॉर्टेंस है इस फॉर्म का दिस इज द फॉर्म बेस्ड ऑन विच योर 90% interview will be around. So if you will go through with this form properly, if you will go through each and every point properly multiple time, if you will go through with this, your interview is going to be easy. Otherwise it is going to be a challenge filled by you only. You are creating the question for yourself and you are not preparing it properly, so you cannot regret after the interview कि सर मैंने अच्छे से देखा नहीं था and the interview went wrong and all. So that is your own mistake, nothing. Then the state, preferred state for the posting. Mention three options, three different options. So definitely what you can do is your home state and nearby two states you can fill. Okay. It does not have any relation with the joining you are going to get it or not. Do not worry. Do not at all worry. It does not mean that you have filled Madhya Pradesh as your first preference. They will be asking you why you want to get the joining here. You'll say that, sir, my family is staying here. If I'll get the opportunity to stay nearby, otherwise I do not have problem to move anywhere in India. Just you need to convey and confidently you have to convince that why you have filled these three options on the top. But you need to convey this message that, sir, because it was an option. It was an option asked in the form, so I have filled the preference. Otherwise, I am ready to move anywhere in India. I am very much comfortable to get the joining anywhere in India. So what you can do is you can fill your preference here. Like for example, the people from North India, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Maharashtra, like this they can fill. But confidently you have to cover it. I hope the point is clear. Yes, Abhilasha, now the dates are out. I'll be active uh, on the YouTube channel. You'll be able to find me, and in my batch also. My batch is already live. Personalized interview batch for United India Insurance AO. This batch is already live. You guys can join it by using the coupon code Aditya. You'll be able to get 45% discount over the batch, and you can prepare under the personal guidance of mine. Now, these are the 3 points we have done. Now, present address in full for the correspondent, that is to connect with you. Now, for example, you are from Kanpur but studying in Delhi at present. So, you need to fill the address of Delhi here. Okay, it's just an example I'm giving you. So, you are from Tamil Nadu and you are studying at present in Bangalore. So, you need to fill the address of Bangalore here. Wherever you are staying at present, that address you need to fill. Okay, wherever you are staying, so they can connect with you quickly with the letters and all. Then email address, mobile number, alternate mobile number. These are the things you need to fill same as you have filled in your application form. Whatever you have filled in your application form, that you have to fill it here. Okay, nearest railway station to your permanent address. Whatever your permanent address, nearest railway station from there. Okay, that you need to fill. Do not worry that you can book the ticket from your correspondent address, no problem. Nearest railway station you can fill, then permanent address with the pin code. So permanent address, whatever your permanent address is. For example, Madhya Pradesh, the full address, ward number, city, road, gully, everything you have to fill in detail. Take the category you belongs to. So if you belongs to any of the category SC, ST, OBC, then domiciled which state, domiciled which state, like my domicile is Madhya Pradesh, so I'll fill here. Then caste certificate registration number, so it will be given on your caste certificate that you need to fill. Date of issue, issuing authority, these are the things. For the people those who are from SC, ST, OBC or EWS, unreserved, simply you can tick here, and after that nothing need to fill. Simply domicile you need to fill. Domicile. So for the people belongs to UR category, need to fill domicile. Remaining you need to write here NA, NA, NA. So do not leave any of the column blank. याद रखिएगा कोई भी column blank ना हो. If you belongs to unreserved, here it will be Madhya Pradesh, proper full Madhya Pradesh, then NA, not available, not available, not available. Wherever you are, like whether ex-serviceman, disabled ex-serviceman, yes, no. So answer will be no. Because they have given the option, yes, no. So answer is no. No. Whether you belongs to any of the following category, widow, divorced woman, woman legally separated from their husband, have not remarried, so answer will be no. So like this, you need not to leave it blank. याद रखिए blank fill नहीं करना है. Blank आपको नहीं रखना है. What you need to do is you need to fill each and every column. हर एक column filled होना चाहिए. बहुत basic सा criteria है. Then whether PWD, that is physically disabled, answer is no. Existing employee of any public sector bank or insurance company. Now understand, the people those who are working in LIC, GIC, NIC, even on the office assistant position, they need to put here yes, and after that their SR number, designation, name of the company. For example, working in LIC, so proper Life Insurance Corporation, Life Insurance Corporation. Place of posting, where you are posted at present. For example, posting is Bangalore. So Bangalore. So like this you need to fill. If no, then no. And here you need to fill NA, 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 NA. I am repeating again. Do not leave any, do not keep anything untouched. Everywhere wherever it is not applicable, you need to write NA, not applicable. And at such places wherever they are asking yes or no, answer will be no, no, no. I hope the statements are getting clear properly, right? किसी को कोई डाउट तो नहीं है? क्लियर हो रहा है साहब? फॉर्म अच्छे से फिल कर लीजिएगा, आज ही फिल कर लीजिएगा फॉर्म. आफ्टर टेकिंग प्रिंट आउट, do practice of filling form also 2-3 times. After that you can fill it one time properly. So when you are going for taking the printout, so do one thing, take 2 to 3 printout initially, so you can fill it. Note the final one form you are going to create for your interview. In that form there should not be any overwriting or any cuts, anything. It should be neat and clean. बहुत neat and clean लेकर जाना है आपको, ठीक है? Date of birth रहेगा आपका यहाँ पर. So they will be get to know how much age you belongs to. So your date of birth you need to fill. What is your age? If your age is 28, so how many times left? Why you are writing the examination? Everything you need to write here. Okay. So age as on 31st of December 2023, not today. What is the date on 31st of December 2023? So count the exact age and write here. Okay. For example, it is 28 years, 28 years, 14 days. So like this you can write 28 years, 14 days. I hope you are getting my point. Place of birth. Place of birth will be city and state. City and state. For example, Bangalore, Karnataka. Bangalore, Karnataka. Karnataka. Then state domicile, state of domicile. Whatever your state of domicile, for example, Karnataka. I'm just taking examples. I hope you're getting my point. Gender, male, religion, Hindu, whatever your religion is, Christian or Muslim, whatever your religion. Okay, Islam, you can write it here. Then, do you belongs to religious community? If yes, name the community properly. For example, you are writing here Jain, and Jain is a minority community. So need to write here yes. If yes, you need to write here Jain. Otherwise, what you need to write here? No. No. Do you belongs to religious minority community? Answer will be no. In that case, answer will be no. Okay. Then no, they have not said Abhilasha anything like this to upload the document before the interview like IBPS. इन्होंने ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं कहा है. Still, I'll check it, and if there is any updates on their website after few days, I'll be updating you guys regularly and continuously. Just be in touch. That is what I'm saying. Be in touch. You can be connected with me with my Telegram ID. Aditya Sir OB. This is my Telegram ID. If you are there on the paid Telegram group, I am going to definitely update you on each and everything. Or GA Genius is my open Telegram group, GA Genius community. You can join it, and you'll get the update here as well. Marital status, married, unmarried. You have to write married or unmarried. Okay, married or unmarried, whatever your status is. The language you know, read and write. Read and write, not speak, they said. Read and write. They are asking you, are you able to read and write? So read and write. So what are the language you are able to read and write? English and Hindi. So for me, I'll write English, Hindi. English, you need to write complete English, huh? Don't write ENG. English, Hindi. Don't follow this. ENGLISH. English. Complete you have to write. English and Hindi. Then, qualification is on 31st December 2023. Remember, if you were doing post-graduation and your post-graduation completed in June, or your is going to complete in June, or it is completed in March, no need to write. Till 31st of December 2023, what was the status of your graduation or PG that you need to fill? So, SSC, HSC and graduation, most important. Name of university. It create question for your example. For example, just for example, there is a university in Madhya Pradesh that is called Rani Durgavati University. Rani Durgavati Vishwavidyalaya. Rani Durgavati Vishwavidyalaya. Okay, so they ask about this, that who was Rani Durgavati. If you have studied from APJ Abdul Kalam University, then they will ask about it. So remember that the name of university based on whom, it is very important thing to cover. If any of the person who got the Nobel Prize recently or Bharat Ratna recently and your university is named on such person, then also it is very important. You need to get the clear idea. So just today, do a little bit cross check. Okay, what is the name of my university? Okay, this university is on the name of whom? So who was this person? What was the importance of this person in the Indian history? These three things. Prepare it properly. I hope you are getting my point. So graduation, post graduation, then graduation year is going to be important. Why? For example, your graduation was completed in the year 2020. Now we are in the year 2024. It means there is a gap. There is a gap of around 4 years. They will be asking you what you were doing from last 4 years. Your graduation was completed in 2020. Now what you are doing from last 4 years? Why so much gap? Need to justify the gap. So based on the exam year, exam past year, they will definitely ask you about the gap year. तो ये एक important point आपको याद रखना है. Any other thing, if you have done any type of diploma like PG diploma banking and finance or any other diploma courses certification you have done, that you can fill here. One important thing in the insurance sector, if you have done any type of certification like certification in underwriting, certification in the loss assessment, any type of certification which is related to the insurance sector, if you have done it, then you can justify here. Otherwise you can simply write NA. Clear? Past and present employment, this is for the people those who are working. Does not matter where you are working, does not matter it is a private job or public sector job. Any job you are working with, for example, you are working with TCS, Tata Consultancy Services, right here TCS Limited. on whatever the name you guys are following. So that one, designation, the designation you hold. Okay, so senior engineer, junior engineer, tester, whatever your designation is. Duration from where, if you're working till now, so you can write current, or you can simply write the date of today. Scale and pay. Scale and pay is important for the people, those who are getting the salary around 12 to 13 lakh. Understand my point? For example, someone who is getting the salary of 12 lakh at present, and you have applied for United India Insurance interview, means the AO position. In this position, you are going to get the salary lower than your current drawn salary. If your salary for which you have applied is lower than the salary you are going to get, then why you want to come to the insurance sector? Why you want to join at a lower pay scale from the current pay scale? It is going to be the case with very, very less people. I know that. Still, there are few cases. They should create the proper reason why they want to come and join at lower pay scale, around 8 to 9 lakh rupee, by leaving the job of 12 lakh rupee. I hope it is clear. Reason of leaving the organization also you need to write. Based on that, they will have the discussion. So this is for the people, those who are working. Does not matter that private sector or public sector. But people, those who are working in government sector, quasi-government, PSU, public sector undertaking organization. If you're working in SIDB, if you're working with Nabard, any public sector bank, any public sector insurance company, state government, including nationalized bank or financial institution, you need to submit the non-objection certificate. This is the first thing you have to apply tomorrow in your organization. कल ही आपको अप्लाई करना है एनओसी के लिए, नॉन ऑब्जेक्शन सर्टिफिकेट के लिए. टुमारो मॉर्निंग यू नीड टू डू फर्स्ट टास्क इन योर ऑफिस, अप्लाई फॉर द एनओसी if you're working in the government sector. Remember that private sector employees does not require NOC. NOC नहीं चाहिए जो कि private sector में working है. No NOC required for the private job. NOC required for the people working with the public sector undertaking, working with the public sector bank, public sector enterprises और full fledged government body. तो उनको NOC चाहिए होगा. ठीक है, क्लियर हो रहा है पॉइंट? कोई डाउट नहीं छोड़ते हुए चल रहा हूं, मैं सब बता रहा हूं आपको, ताकि आपको फॉर्म फिल करने में कोई प्रॉब्लम ना हो. देन डू यू हैव वर्किंग नॉलेज ऑफ कंप्यूटर्स? देखो यहां पर क्या पूछा है इन्होंने, वर्किंग नॉलेज. डू यू हैव वर्किंग नॉलेज ऑफ कंप्यूटर्स? राइट हियर नो. व्हाई? इन केस यू वर नॉट वर्किंग येट, अभी तक अगर आप वर्किंग नहीं थे, then your answer will be no. If you're working with public sector bank, insurance company, then you need to write yes. उस केस में आप yes लिखो when you are working with the bank, insurance sector or any other, like you are working with TCS. So you are working with the computers, right? Write yes here, no problem. So in that case, you have to write. Working word is important to note. They are not asking you, do you have knowledge of computers? In that case, if you are not working also, you can write yes, I have knowledge of computer. Working knowledge of computer, answer is no. No. In the working environment, I do not have knowledge of computers. That's what you have to write. Okay. Are you pursuing for the further studies? If yes, if already you are doing MBA under process, MTech under process, PhD under process, then you need to write the details here. Otherwise, no. Then academic distinction prize, scholarship, any type of award you have got from the previous organizations, any type of certificates you have win at the district level, at least not at school level, district level का कुछ है आपके पास, तो वो आपको, yes, scholarship if you have got any, so that you can define here. Probable notice period for the present employer. So if you are even working with a private company and your notice period is 1.5 months, you need to write here 45 days. If you are not working, then simply you need to write no. ठीक है, ये पॉइंट हो जाएंगे आपके पास. So what I said you, not to leave any column blank. Point number 1. कोई भी कॉलम आपको ब्लैंक नहीं छोड़ना है. Everywhere you have to write either NA or no. वो भी आपको पता है कहां पर क्या लिखना है. In the last there will be a declaration. So declaration you have to read date, place. Declaration you have to read date, place, and after that signature. Date, place, and after that signature. That you need to do. Okay. And what, understand my point. This is these things, the date, place, signature, these things you can do at your home also. आप अपने घर पे करके ले जा सकते हो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है that you need to write it here only, there only. You can do it at home and you can go after taking it. तो वो फोटो वाला जरूर याद रखिएगा, that photograph when you will attach, it has to be attached on all four forms separately, and the signature will be separately on all four forms. ठीक है. Personalized interview batch for United India Insurance AO is live. We will be doing 2 mock interview in this batch. Mock 1 will be taken by me personally. Mock 2 will be taken by Shiva Rama sir, who is experienced in the field of bank and insurance sector, have taken multiple interviews for LIC, NIC, GIC, काफी interviews ले चुके हैं, including SBI PO interview, RRB PO interview, IBPS PO interview. His task is to take the interview actually after retirement. So he's an ex banker, so he will be taking your mock interview too. So you can join the batch today itself by using the coupon code Aditya. If you feel that the session was worth watching, प्लीज लाइक द वीडियो, शेयर विथ योर फ्रेंड्स, दे कैन ऑल्सो ज्वाइन इट. और भी जो आपके कंफ्यूजन आ रहे हैं, डू राइट इन द कमेंट बॉक्स. आई विल बी एबल टू क्रिएट द वीडियोस टुमारो बेस्ड ऑन दैट. जो भी आपके डाउट आ रहे हैं वो आज आप बता दीजिएगा, कल आपको इसके ऊपर वीडियो मिल जाएगा. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग द वीडियो. जय हिंद.